RamboCables introduces the 500ft OM3 LC to LC Multimode fiber patch cable, a robust solution tailored for high-performance networking environments. This duplex fiber optic cable boasts a construction using 5125 micrometers fiber cladding with a 2.0 millimeters diameter and a LSCH, low smoke zero halogen, jacket, ensuring durability and environmental safety. It adheres to the OM3 international standard, supporting efficient data transmission across various applications. Ideal for 10G Ethernet connections, the cable offers impressive specifications. It supports a bandwidth of 2000 MHz km at 850 nm, enabling significant transmission distances. Up to 300 meters for 10 gigabits Ethernet, 240 meters for 40 gigabits Ethernet, and 100 meters for 100 gigabits Ethernet at 850 nanometers wavelength. This capability makes it suitable for data centers, enterprise networks, telecom rooms, server farms, and cloud storage networks, optimizing space with its high-density cabling design. The OM3 LC to LC fiber patch cable excels with low insertion loss, IL, of less than or equal to 0.3 dB, maintaining strong and stable data signals over long distances. It also features high return loss, RL, of greater than or equal to 30 dB, reducing signal reflection and enhancing overall signal quality, thereby minimizing the risk of data errors or loss. That RamboCables emphasizes quality and reliability, catering to diverse networking needs with customizable solutions. Whether connecting 10G SR, 40G BIDI SR, QSFP+, or SFP+ transceivers, this fiber optic cable ensures seamless performance. Backed by a supportive customer service team, RamboCables commits to delivering high-performance networking solutions that meet industry standards and exceed expectations. For those seeking a dependable fiber optic patch cable that combines durability, efficiency, and performance, the RamboCables 500ft OM3 LC to LC Multimode fiber patch cable stands out as an excellent choice, empowering your network infrastructure with superior connectivity and reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.